welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video and welcome to Christmas with amandaoakince. I really hope you're well and enjoying the series so far. If you've missed any of the videos in the series, don't worry, I've put them in the description box below in the playlist. All you have to do is click on the playlist, go ahead and watch them after you've watched this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be decorating Oakley's room for Christmas. I'm not going to go all out there with it, just going to add a few bits of decoration, including the lovely, gorgeous closed peg garland that I made on my DIY. I've added the garland on the wall, it looks absolutely gorgeous. He absolutely loves it as well. Put his new bed covers on. Now I'm just going to decorate this area over here, which is his chest of drawers. Got this for Oakley as a baby. You know, it's really practical, has all these blankets, all these clothes, you know. The changing mat was on top of here. The Tommy Tippy prep machine was on top as well. You know, this was my little chill out room for me to come and feed him with. Now this has become his bedroom. So this is going to be the first Christmas for Oakley spending time in his own room. So I want to make it all nice and cozy for him. Okay, so I'm just going to focus on this area. It's just a plain top of the chest of drawers at the minute. So I'm going to decorate it all nice for him for Christmas.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform in all the Christmas songs.
Okay, so in this bag, I've got all the goodies that I'm going to be using to decorate the room with. Let's take them out.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful.
Okay, so this is his chest of drawer area. It's looking absolutely gorgeous right now. I didn't want to put anything here because sometimes I use this area for folding clothes, you know, before I put them into his drawer. So I've left that bare. I've just got his moonlight on top there. These reindeers that are left over, I'm going to add them to the end of the garland. So one on that end there, and then one on that end, and then maybe one in the middle.
All I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
The garland on its own is absolutely beautiful, don't get me wrong, but these reindeers just absolutely finish it. I'm just going to put one in the middle there.
As long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Okay, so this is how Oakley's room is looking. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So I've just created this little area here for Christmas for him. Little Christmas tree from Poundland. These little reindeers are from the charity shop that I showed you. Nutcracker from Poundland. These are from Poundland a few years back. These set of 3 reindeers, I can't remember where I got those from. This little post box behind here, that's actually from Poundland. It's actually in the kids' toy section from, I think, early last year. So I got that for Oakley from there. And then on the windowsill here, we've just got a snowman biscuit tin. This little candle tea light holder. I'm probably going to go back to Poundland and get the tea light candles for those, the battery operated ones to put in there. And then I've just put his dinosaur next to his moonlight, just there. And then that's his bed cover that I picked up in Aldi. It looks absolutely gorgeous on the bed. And then the garland, stunning. I'm really happy how everything's turned out. You know, most of the house is sort of grey and white silver. So I thought I'd put a bit of colour into Oakley's room. He absolutely loves red. So he's got a red and green theme going on over here, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then the red theme carries on in the bed cover and then also in the garland. Yes, I absolutely love how the room has turned out. It's absolutely perfect for little Oakley. Decorated for Christmas. You know, like I said, I haven't gone full on with all the decorations. I just kept it to a level for him. You know, make it all nice and cozy for him. He's going to absolutely love this corner over here. He's going to love everything because Mummy done it, of course. Yeah, I've also put one of the reindeers onto his wardrobe door there. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for tuning in. Much appreciated. Love having you all around here. Keep well, stay safe, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.